friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nastin Parasale. Currently we are discussing the answer for question that has been asked in chemistry. So in this video I'm going to tell the answers only. I'm not going to discuss anything. So first question is, which one of the following mixtures give a buffer solution in water? So the correct answer for this particular question is option number A. CH3COOH and CH3COONA will be forming a buffer solution in water. Next is, what is a major product formed in the given reaction? So glucose in the presence of bromine and water at a pH of 6, it will be forming a gluconic acid. So only if you know the structure of gluconic acid, you can able to give a correct answer. So correct answer is option number C. Next is correct order of stability of a given metal oxide is that. The correct answer for this question is option number B, because lithium oxide is a highly stable metal oxide. The stability of the superoxide will be changing and the stability of metal oxide will be different. Okay, so you should know, you should read the question correctly, only then you can able to answer for this particular question. Next question number 14. Which of the following is or correct with regarding to when two single complementary strands of DNA come together to form a double helix at a given temperature? So the correct answer for this question, it is a multiple select question. So option B and option D are correct. So both the entropy of the system, the change in entropy of the system as well as the enthalpy of the system will be decreased. Okay, because the small reaction is not spontaneous. Okay, so when two single strands are bonding means then there will be definitely bond formation. There will be a hydrogen bond formation between the nucleotide bases. So the reaction is considered exothermic. So both the change in entropy as well as change in enthalpy will be changing. Okay, next suitable reagent or reagents to bring about the conversion of P to Q, and here they have given a structure. This is also a multiple select question, so you should, the correct answer for this question is option A, option B, option D. You should select all the three options, only then you will be getting a mark. Next, choose the correct trends of first ionization energies among the following. So for question number 16, the correct answer is both C and D are correct. Okay, next for this particular numerical answering type question number 17, the correct answer is 0.67 is the correct answer. Next for 18, that is considered cyclobutane to be a planar. The number of planes of symmetry in the following compound is that 1. Okay, so 1 is the correct answer. Next is with regarding to for two more questions. Okay, so first thing, a mixture of 4 peptides are given. They have given, and they are also given an amino acid. Okay, P for proline, Y for tyrosine, V for valine, G for glycine, L for lysine, K for lysine, R for arginine, and E for glutamic acid are loaded onto ion exchange column at a pH of 7.2. Okay, if carboxy methyl cellulose is used as a stationary phase for this particular column, then which peptide elutes first? So there are two kind of ion exchanger. One is a cationic ion exchanger and anionic ion exchanger. So carboxy methyl cellulose is example of cationic ion exchanger. So it will be loaded with a negative ion. Okay, so it will be bind to those peptides which are positively charged. Okay, so only if you know the example of cationic ion exchanger and anionic exchanger, you can able to answer this particular question. At the same time, you should also have a basic understanding about what are the amino acids that are considered as a basic or positively charged amino acid. Okay, so for this particular question, the correct answer is that many are telling option D is correct. Okay, because if you take P, K, K, R and K, here you can able to see P for proline, K for lysine, and R for R for arginine. So here they are asking about if carboxy methyl cellulose use means it's a negatively charged ion. So positively charged atom will be bind to it. Here they are asking which peptide will be elute comes out first. So those negatively charged proteins or negatively charged amino acid will be coming out of the solution. Okay, since they can't able to form a bond, so option A is incorrect because they are positively charged. They will be forming association with the cellulose. And option B is also wrong, even though glutamic acid is also present here. Okay, here it is present, but there are two arginine groups. So option B is also wrong. Option C for me it is correct, but although there are two arginine groups are present, so option C is also wrong. Option D is correct because only one positively charged group is present. Rest of all are neutral amino acid. Okay, so for this particular question, option D is correct because they will be neutralizing the charge. Next, for this particular question, it is correctly matched for this particular Magnus. It is they have a property of 5.92 Bohr magneton, and for this particular hexafluorocene it is having a CFSE value of 0.4, and for NiCl4, that is tetrachloronickel, it have a metal ion hybridization at sp, its metal ion hybridization is sp3, and for cyanonickel it is a dimagnetic. Okay, so it is correctly matched, that is E1, F2, G3 and H4. Okay, So next for this question, they are asking compound P and Q undergo E2 elimination with a reaction rate constant of K1 and K2 respectively. Which of the following is correct? So it is a multiple select question. So for this, option A and option C are correct. So rate constant K1 is greater than K2. At the same time, the most stable conformer is P, which gives the product. Okay. Next, for this particular question, according to hard soft acid base principle, the correct option or option for the solubility trend in water is It's a multiple select question. So for this particular question, option C and option D are correct. Okay. So if you take a C option and D option, here they are asking a solubility trend. Okay. So if you take lithium bromide, it is having a high solubility when you compare with lithium chloride and lithium fluoride. At the same time, if you take AgF, that is silver fluoride, they are also having a high solubility. So option C and option D are absolutely correct. Okay. Next, for this particular question number 25, the compound X gives a alcohol P as a major product for the reaction shown below. Suitable option for X. So for this particular question, option C is correct. Okay. So next, for this particular question, the number of radial nodes of valence orbital of this particular ion is that it is 1. 1 is the correct answer. So I just given only the answers. I didn't go in depth about discussing because I'm not a chemistry kind of person. While preparing for GATE Excel examination also, I generally skip chemistry portion. So many students have asked me to upload the answers for chemistry. So that's the reason I had uploaded. If you're having any discrepancy in answer, you can please do tell me in the comment section so that I'll be making a separate video for that particular question. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video.